Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my Soleha students? May Allah always protect us from any disease everywhere and every time. Okay, so students, welcome back with Ustazah Rani. It means we are going to learn again about math. If last meeting we learn about new topic about centimeter and meter, right? But in this meeting and so on, you are not going to get a new topic, but only review topik during Hubbul Quran. Jadi selama Hubbul Quran ini kalian tidak akan mendapatkan materi baru lagi. Terakhir cuma satu, yaitu sentimeter dan meters. Tapi kita hanya akan mereview saja materi-materi yang pernah kita pelajari. Because as I know, I know that your book is come late. Nah, so your task is, or our topic is during Hubbul Quran is just filling all of the practice that you didn't filling in your notebook, in your book ya, in your book, like that. Jadi Ananda, Soleha, kita akan isi soal-soal yang belum pernah kita isi dalam bukunya, tapi sudah pernah kita pelajari. Kinda like that. Now we are going to start it from numbers 2000. Ya, numbers 2000. Kita mulai dari bab yang paling awal, number 2000. Nah, number 2000 you can see here. You are going to practice about counting in hundreds, tens, and ones. I absolutely make sure that you already know it. What is hundreds, what is tens, and what is ones, right? Yes. This part, you can see. For this one, sorry, wait, is this like, okay. For this one, you can see here is symbol for 10. This is the symbol for 10. This is the symbol for 100. So this is 100. And this is the symbol for 1000. Right? Yes. So you can fill in this box how many hundreds. You can fill in how many box or box that has 100 blocks. It is 200. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because this represent about 10. So this is has 8 tens. And this one represent about 1. So it has 5 ones. Okay. Kind of like that, yeah. So this one represent about 100. This one represent about tens. This one represent about ones. And this one represent about 1000. Okay, we move to the first worksheet, or the first practice that we have to do in this chapter. Nah, this is the first one. The page 4. Page 4, you might to do this one. Look at how many hundreds, how many tens, how many ones. For the case like this, if you think there is no tens, there is no ones, just make it 0 here. Just write down 0. Okay, I will do for part 1 for you. Number 1 for you. Hundreds. As we know, this is represent about hundreds. So I will say this is has 300s. Yes, 300s. And how many tens? There is no tens, so I can write 0. And then how many ones? There is no ones also, so I can write down 0 also. And for this one, you might to do for part 2 and part 3, okay? You can counting how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones. Next, we move to the place value. Place value, remember, it is hundreds, it is tens, it is ones. So if we have 285, so 8 must be tens, 2 must be hundred, and 5 must be ones, right? Okay, I hope you remember. We move, which practice that you will be do. Nah, here you have this in the page 6. In the page 6, you will be see what are the numbers 100, 3 tens, and 9 ones. So you write down here the number 100, 3 tens, and 9 ones. Nah, for example, we have, I will do this for you, yeah. I will do for part A for you. 100, 3 tens, and 9 ones. So it must be 100, 3 tens, 9 ones. So it must be 139. So you can do for part B. And then this one, the digit 8 in 508 is the first value. You have to determine, kalian harus menentukan 8 itu what is 8? It is hundreds, it is tens, or it is ones. And after that, you have to find in the value. Remember ya, the differences between place, value, and then value. Like if I have a number 145, the place value place value place value of 4 is tens, right? Tens. Place value is tens, but the value of 4 is 40. Look at the differences. It is tens for place, and this is 40 for value. So you can do for number 2 and number 1 part B, number 2 all of the part. Okay, you have 2 tasks, 2 review topic, and then we move to the next number and words. This one, number and words. So for number 1, you have to write down the figure. Figure means the number. Kalian harus nyatakan balok-balok ini dalam angka, ada berapa sih balok ini. Oke. And then tuliskan juga in word. Tuliskan dalam bahasa. Tuliskan hurufnya kayak gini. Terus for number 2, you have to write down the numbers. Write down the numbers. Write down what are the numbers. 608. How much the number? And then for part 3, you have to write down in the words. And for the last part, you have to match which one 160, which one 211, like that. So you have 3 parts, students, all of the total. The first is page 9. Page 9. And then page 6, and then page 4. Okay, it is clear, yeah? Page 4, page 6, and page 9. Okay. So remember, during this Hubbul Quran, we are going to just review topic. Yeah, we are going to just review topics. So all of the topics that we done to learn that you didn't do the practice in the book, we are going to do that. Yeah. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.